is Cherokee Drake, and I'm going to be completing the lava lamp lab. Okay, so first, got a bottle in which I'm going to create my lava lamp. A funnel which I'm going to use to pour some water into this bottle. I'm not very confident in this funnel, to be honest. Okay, the video said to pour water in it to fill about a quarter of the cup, or the bottle. I think that's about maybe closer to a third. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. And then next was vegetable oil. Just a little bit of that, it said. So I'm just going to give us kind of a good layer on there. Okay. That looks kind of gross, but it looks right. Put that layer because the water has a higher density, I think. Alright, and that's probably about all I need of the funnel. Next is some red dye because I want it to be red. I believe it said about 10 drops of this. Alright. I'm gonna go for 12. I think it needs more. Okay. It's all still stuck in the vegetable oil. Okay. And the final part of the lab was to drop some Alka-Seltzer tablets in there. I got generic because I'm a college student and that's what I do. But I did check the active ingredients and it's the same. It's aspirin, citric acid, and sodium bicarbonate. The sodium bicarbonate is the important part of this substance. Because that sodium bicarbonate is going to react with the water in this bottle. And the water is made up of dihydrogen monoxide, which is 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. And this sodium bicarbonate is 1 part sodium and 2 parts carbon. So the carbon is going to react with the oxygen in the water, and it's going to create carbon dioxide. And that's going to cause bubbles to rise up. Those bubbles are filled with carbon dioxide. And it's going to cause the red dye to float up looking like a lava lamp, and it's going to look really cool. So it said at least 1 per tablet, so I think that probably means like I should probably do 2. I'm going to break them up into little bits here so they're easier to drop in there. And okay, let me get them all in one hand here before I try to drop them in there. Okay. Okay. Look at all that carbon dioxide. So my hypothesis was correct. There are bubbles floating up through the vegetable oil that are filled with carbon dioxide combined with red dye. It isn't as cool of a reaction as I was hoping it would be, and I think that's because maybe I don't have enough vegetable oil in there. I'm honestly not sure. I might retry it with a little more vegetable oil. We're gonna do that. Oh yeah, that's gonna look a lot cooler. I never use this vegetable oil anyway. Okay. So on this note, it's time for the seltzer tablets. I probably should have done less water too. If I ever did this again, that would be another thing I would change, is less water in the bottom. Alright. Let's make some more carbon dioxide. That looks a lot cooler. It's mainly happening on one side of the bottle though. I think that the tablets are probably gathering together. But yeah, there's a lot of fizz going on here as well. I would call this a success.